Hey, Bob Carr here for another episode of the Bob Carr Show. In the studio today, I got my son, Mr. Gabriel. How you doing, buddy?
I'm good. About yourself?
I'm doing good. What you doing this summer? What you doing?
I don't know.
You don't know? You come on my show and you don't know what you're doing.
Well,
Sir?
most of my friends are out of town, so
You have friends?
I actually do. Yeah, it's surprising, but I do have friends.
Okay, so your friends are out of town on vacation?
Yes. So I might just wait for them to come back, and then from there we can see what we can do in the summer.
Didn't we just go on a couple pretty cool trips?
Yeah, we did. We went to Indianapolis. It was really fun.
You went to Indianapolis, very fun. Well, what did we do there? Indianapolis 500, baby.
Yes, we did. It was really fun. It was my first time. And
Did you enjoy it?
Yeah, it was really fun.
Well, tell the people you enjoyed
I
it.
just said it was fun.
All right. And then we took Grandma to Florida so she could return to Brazil. And
yep, we went to
Universal.
We went to Universal. It was really fun. I got to see the Harry Potter part of Universal. You know, it was my dream.
Pretty cool. Huh?
Yeah, for me, that being a really big Harry Potter fan. It was really fun. So it's been a dream to go there and visit all the parts, all the stores. I actually just got a wand. I customized it with my name, so it was really fun.
How about the rides down there? They're awesome.
Oh yeah, it was really fun. First I went to the Hulk one. I thought it was really cool, and I thought it was gonna be, I've been doing research about Universal, so I thought it was gonna be the hardest one to do it. But I think actually the Harry Potter one that I went to was better than the Hulk one.
Gotcha. There's a lot going on at Universal, isn't it?
Yeah.
You can spend days there, still not see everything.
Yep.
So you doing some summer school this summer?
Yes, sir.
And then when you finish that, you're going to be off to your final year of high school?
Indeed.
I can't wait for that graduation day. Woo! You walk across that stage and they'll be like, see ya, here's your suitcase.
Sounds good.
So what are you going to do after you graduate? What's your plan, sir?
So I plan to go to college to be a videographer. It's been a dream, since I was, little. So that's something I want to do and something I'm passionate about it.
Have you put any applications in yet, sir?
I did some essays. I haven't put in any applications yet, but
you need to.
But I plan to. Yes.
Okay. All right. So you thinking of going local? Thinking going out of state?
Hopefully local. Mom would be really happy if I would be local.
Gabriel, I appreciate you coming in today.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate having me here.
This wraps up another episode of the Bob Carr Show, and we'll see you next week with another new episode.